Welcome friends, in today's video we will discuss Michel Foucault's view on power. But before starting the video, I have a small announcement. If you are looking for any academic essays, research papers, assignments, reports, projects or dissertations, then visit the link given in the description below. We will write it for you. Now let's get started. Michel Foucault, the French postmodernist, has been one of the most influential thinkers in modern times whose ideas on power have shaped the discourse on power per se. Foucault is widely known for his idea that power is everywhere, diffused and embodied in discourse, knowledge and regimes of truth. Foucault's work marked a radical departure from previous ways of understanding power. Foucault argued that power is everywhere and comes from everywhere, so in this sense is neither an agency nor a structure. Hence he challenged the idea that power is wielded by people or groups by way of episodic or sovereign acts of domination or coercion, arguing that power is instead pervasive and dispersed. He observed that power is a kind of metapower or regime of truth that pervades society, and is in constant flux and negotiation. Foucault uses the term power or knowledge to signify that power is constituted through accepted forms of knowledge, scientific understanding and truth. These general politics and regimes of truth are the result of scientific discourse and institutions, and are reinforced constantly through the education system, the flux of political and economic ideologies and the media. John Gaventa in his work Power After Lux, a review of the literature, notes that Foucault was one of the few writers on power who recognized that power is not just a negative, coercive or repressive thing that forces us to do things against our wishes, but can also be a necessary, productive and positive force in society. Foucault's approach to power was different from the mainstream ideas in the sense that he believed that power transcended politics and he saw it as a regular, socialized and embodied phenomenon. Hence, revolutions do not always lead to change in the social order. However, critics of Foucault considered his conceptualization of power to be so removed from agency or structure that scope for practical action seemed to be very little. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.